Okay, everyone, nice to meet you. Have you taken breakfast already, everyone? I hope you have, because when you have taken breakfast, you will have more energy to learn. Okay, when you have more energy, you can focus on the lesson well. So last Monday, we had quiz 2, right? Have you done it well? I hope so, because every exercise in our quiz 2 related to the lesson that we have learned already. So now everyone, let us focus to our lesson. So do you know what are we going to study for the first sessions of our lesson today, everyone? Great. For today's lesson, we will learn together about listening starter 1. So now I want you all to take a look at the whiteboard. This is the lesson review that we will learn and clarify about it again and again until you get familiar with the form in simple past, right? Okay, everyone, this is our lesson review, and I believe that you have known it already because we have learned many times, right? So let's read together, everyone. She went hiking. Again, she went hiking. So we will clarify about a function of the word in this sentence. So she, what is it, everyone? She? Yes, she is subject pronoun, right? When is verb 2. So how can we know that this sentence is affirmative in the past? Because we can see subject and then we see verb 2. Whenever you see verb 2 in a sentence, mean that it is in the past. Whenever you see verb add in a sentence, mean that mostly it is in the past. So now everyone, we will learn how to change from this affirmative sentence into negative. So remember the form, everyone. Could you tell me the form of a negative in the past? Great. We have subject plus didn't plus verb 1. Again, we have subject plus didn't plus verb 1. Great. So you can write down subject, she. Okay, she. And then didn't. And then verb 1. So verb 1 of the verb went, what is it, everyone? Go. Right. Hiking. Great. She didn't go hiking. Great. So now we'll change this into question as well. Could you tell me the form of simple past in question? Great. Did plus subject plus verb 1. Again, did plus subject plus verb 1. Great. So now we will use that form to reflect on how to change this affirmative into question. We put did first plus subject she plus verb 1. Verb 1 of the verb went is the verb goes. Did she go hiking? Put question mark, right? Did she go hiking? So now let's read together, everyone, before we move to our lesson today. She went hiking. She didn't go hiking. Did she go hiking? Great. So today, do you know what are we going to study about our lesson? Great. You can turn on page 64. You will see the lesson that we are going to study together. Now everyone, let's read together. Unit 9, V1, page 64. Okay, read the words as well together. Vocabulary, boat, bookstore, again, boat, bookstore. Could you tell me the meanings of the word boat? Great. So I believe that you have seen the meaning on the whiteboard already. So now let's read together. A small vehicle traveling on water. Again, a small vehicle traveling on water. Vehicle can be bicycle, can be motorbike, can be car, can be airplane, can be boat, right? But for the boat, it's one kind of vehicle that traveling on the water. But for the car, motorbike, and bicycle, we use it to travel on the road, right? And can be airplane. Airplane, one kind of vehicle that travel in the sky. Great, everyone. So now I believe that you have known the answer or the meanings of the word boat, and you understand the word vehicle as well. So read the second word, bookstore. Again, bookstore. A store that sells book. Again, bookstore. A store that sells book. So when you want to read the book, you need to go to bookstore in order to buy many kinds of book, right? So you can go there. So actually in Cambodia there are many bookstores. You can buy wherever you want. And also you can choose the books that you like. So I suggest you to read book every day because it will give you more knowledge. It can make you have broad idea. It can make you see how big is the world. Great, everyone. So now after we have learned about the two words and the meaning already, let's do it one more time before we move to our exercise practice. Boat, a small vehicle traveling on water. You understand the word vehicle, right? Yeah, vehicle can be car, can be motorbike, can be bicycle, can be airplane, can be boat, right? But those kinds of vehicles travel on different kinds of road, right? So for the boat, they travel on the water, and plane in the sky, and motorbike, bicycle on the road. Great, everyone. Bookstore, bookstore, a store that sells books. So now we are coming to our exercise practice. Let's read the instruction and learn how to do this exercise together. A. Listen, write the letter that matches the picture. Again, listen, write the letter that matches the picture. Okay, everyone, you can turn on page 64. You will see the exercise that we are going to study together. So what I want you to do is you need to listen to the audio track 99 and then try to understand about X sentence that the audio track is telling you and try to match the letter that fits with the picture. Okay? So now I give you 5 minutes to listen to the audio track and try to match the letter to the picture. Let's start.
Review Test 3, Units 7 through 9. A. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A. They are riding a boat down the river. B.
You can buy a new bicycle here.
C. The boys have fun playing basketball. D.
My big sister works at a bookstore.
Okay, everyone, after we have spent 5 minutes to listen to the audio track, I believe that you have got the correct answer. You have matched the picture to the letter already, right? So number 1, what is it? What letter is it, everyone? From A to D, A, B, C, or D? Great. Number 1 is A. Okay, I will read for you. A. They are riding a boat down the river. Again. A. They are riding a boat down the river. So whenever you want to ride the boat, you can go to the riverside. Whenever you want to take the boat, you can go to the riverside. Okay. How about number 2? A, B, C, or D? Great. Number 2 is D. I read for you, everyone. My big sister works in a bookstore. Again. My big sister works in a bookstore. Great. So now we get number 1 and number 2 already. How about number 3, everyone? We have letter C and letter B. Okay. Number 3 is C. Great. I will read for you. The boys have fun playing basketball. Again. The boys have fun playing basketball. Great. How about number 4? Yes, number 4 is letter B. What is it, everyone? Okay, I will read for you. You can buy a new bicycle here. Again. You can buy a new bicycle here. Great. So after we have done the first exercise, or we can say exercise in section A from our textbook, now we are coming to exercise in section B. Read the instruction and learn how to do this exercise. Listen, choose the correct response. Again, listen, choose the correct response. So what do I want you to do with this exercise, everyone? Great, you can turn on page 64. What I want you to do is, you need to listen to every question from the audio track and try to match the best response to the question. Again, you need to listen to all questions in the audio track and try to match each response to each question. So I give you 5 minutes to listen to the audio track and start to do this exercise together. Let's start.
B. Listen. Choose the correct response. 1. Did Erica's team win yesterday? 2.
How much are these shoes?
3. How often do you go skiing? 4.
Why are you so tired, Robert?
Okay, everyone, after you have spent 5 minutes to listen to your audio track and you have chosen the best response to each question already, now let us check together to find the answer. Okay, number 1, what does the speaker say? Great, I read it for you. Did Alex's team win yesterday? Again, did Alex's team win yesterday? So we will write down, did Alex's team win yesterday? Did Alex's team win yesterday? So which one is the answer, everyone? A or B? So I will read the answer for you, A and B. A, yes, she played. B, no, they lost. So which one is the answer? Great, the answer is B. So now let us focus to the question. Did Alex's team win yesterday? Is this in simple present or in the past? Great, this is in the past. Why we know this in the past? Because we use did to create question. So you can see did in the beginning of the sentence, then you can see subject. And then you see verb 1, the verb win, right? So we can know that this is the question in the past. So now we are coming to exercise 2. Okay, I read it for you all. How much are these shoes? Again, how much are these shoes? Let me write down. How much are these shoes? Okay, read together. How much are these shoes? Okay, everyone, when you see the how much, we use to create question. Mean that we use this how much to ask about price. Whenever you want to know about price of the product or of something, you need to use how much. Example, how much is this marker? How much is this book? So we need to use how much. So everyone, how about the best response? I will read for you. A, they $30. B, they black and white. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Great. The correct response is A, they $30. Okay, so now we are coming to exercise C. I will read the question for you. How often do you go skiing? Again, how often do you go skiing? So I will write for you as well. How often do you go skiing? Great. How often do you go skiing? So whenever we use how often to create question, mean that we want to know about how many times of some activity. how many times that we are doing some activity. So how often do you go skiing? Mean that we want to know the time, how many times do you go skiing, right? So I will read the responses for you. A, I go every weekend. B, I go to the mountain. So which one is the best response, everyone? Great. The best response is A. I go every weekend. Or you can say I go every Friday. I go twice a week. Right? You can tell the times that you go skiing. So now we are coming to number 4. I will read how does the speaker say. Why are you so tired, Robert? Again, why are you so tired, Robert? So let me write down. Why are you so tired, Robert? Okay, read one more time together, everyone. Why are you so tired, Robert? So which one is the best response to this question? So now let me read for you. A, because I like fishing. B, because I went hiking. Again. A, because I like fishing. B, because I went hiking. So which one is the best response to the question? Great. It is B, because I went hiking. So when we use WA word why to create question, mean that we want to know about the reason, right? So whenever you hear these kinds of question, you need to tell about the reason as well. So read together, everyone, before we end our lesson. So now let's read our lesson focus. Boat, a small vehicle traveling on water. Again, a small vehicle traveling on water. Bookstore, a store that sells a book. So whenever you want to read book, you need to go to bookstore. Let's read the question one more time. Did Alex's team win yesterday? How much are these shoes? How often do you go skiing? Why are you so tired, Robert? Okay, remind you, whenever you see did in the question, mean that the question is in the past. Past means that the situation or event that happened already, right? And it's not related to the present. And number 2, how much want to know about the price? How often want to know about how many times we do some activity. And why want to know about reason. Okay, everyone, this is our lesson today, and I hope that you will understand. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.